This is the best wireless keyboard that you can buy. I'm so happy with this one. Normally, I don't like keyboards on my laptop, the one that comes with the laptop. So I always use like a wireless keyboard. And I was looking for something a little more fun for me. And I like vintage things. So this is the best options that you can find. And I'm gonna show you a couple of specs this has, and you're not gonna believe it. You're gonna love the packaging. Look at this. With this, I was already amazed. You have this, all the functions and specs, and we have a lot of funny keyboards. This is great. To charge it, of course, very good quality, and a couple more things. This is something that really took my attention, the user manual. Normally when you buy something, the user's manual is like a paper or it's not very good quality. This one, it looks like photograph paper. So everything so far that we have here is very good quality. This is the on-off button. This one is the button that you can choose the operating system. If you have Mac, like it's my case, or if you have Windows, you can change it. You have the hour, and this is the knob. Change your volume level, and if you press it, you can leave it on mute. So here you have the entire keyboard, and on the other side, you have with this the adjustment. Important information, guys. This versatile multimedia TFT screen and knob design has 104 keys, full-size keyboard with retro theme, triple mode multi-device, and connection with 6,000 mAh battery, so it's a lot of time to use. You have different light options that you're gonna love it.